Hi, in this video I'll show you how to set up a subdomain when creating your academy and how to change it later. A subdomain is a part of your academy's URL address that comes after the main domain. For example, in the link newacademy.academyocean.com, the words New Academy are a subdomain. This subdomain is automatically created when an academy is created. To get started, go to the Academies and Admin section and click Academies. Click Create an Academy, enter the academy's name in the window that appears. The subdomain will be created automatically. If you need, you can edit it manually by clicking on the subdomain field and then confirm by clicking Create. To change the subdomain of an existing academy, you first need to unpublish it. While the academy is published, the subdomain field cannot be edited. To unpublish, toggle the switch under the eye icon to the disabled position. Then find the academy in the table and click to the pencil icon. In the window that appears, edit the subdomain in the corresponding field and click Save. Once saved, don't forget to republish the academy by turning the toggle back on. Important, after changing the subdomain, the old URL will no longer work. Make sure to send the new login link to your learners. Hope it helps and good luck with your academy!